Hi, lawn mowing people. Today's question is, can you run a lawn care business without a trailer? It's a common sight, vehicles pulling equipment laden trailers. But towing all day has its challenges, from parking lows to navigating tight driveways. Let's explore alternatives and considerations. The decision to use a trailer hinges on the nature of your work. While trailers have their benefits, they aren't always necessary. Assessing your business needs can reveal opportunities to lighten your load and potentially boost profits. Trailers are essential for specific tasks like extensive tree work or accommodating a two-person crew in a larger vehicle. A trailer is also useful if you dump your grass less often. Using a trailer has benefits and drawbacks. Advantages include more space and less frequent dumping trips, but the cons involve increased fuel consumption, maneuverability challenges, and security issues. For trucks, the key is accessibility and ease of equipment use, including considerations for secure storage and ease of unloading. Security is a significant concern, especially for trucks. Solutions involve securing equipment to prevent theft, though this can be cumbersome. Evaluating the cost-benefit ratio of insurance against potential losses is crucial for small equipment. Vans offer an advantage in security, enabling easier locking mechanisms and potentially lower insurance premiums. Experience suggests that equipment stored in vans is less likely to be stolen compared to trucks or trailers. Concerned about running a lawn care business with a smaller vehicle? Strategies for a compact setup include organizing essential tools and equipment efficiently, ensuring everything you need is within reach, and maintaining operational effectiveness. Setting up a van or truck without a trailer is not hard. Start with wool bales for bagging grass, storing equipment for easy access, and planning for daily grass disposal. This method can be efficient and streamline your operations. Solo operation has distinct economic benefits. I have found that 2 vans working separately will produce more income than 2 people in one vehicle. Whether you choose a truck and trailer or a van will depend on the workload and type of work your business does. If you run ride-ons or lawn tractors and do larger sections, you will need a trailer. In conclusion, choosing a trailer depends on your business needs and preferences. While trailers offer certain advantages, a van could be your key to more profits if you work solo and do smaller lawns with a push or self-propelled mower. If you would like to see the whole article, you will find a link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Do remember to like and subscribe, and meanwhile, get out there, mow lawns and have fun.